I love pizza. When I eat pizza, I really just eat the topping off the crust. It's my favorite part. If you just want the topping or you want a quick and easy way to satisfy your pizza craving, pizza bowls are the answer. Plus, it's low carb. So today we're making a supreme pizza bowl. We've prepped some vegetables for the filling. So next we'll add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to a 10-inch skillet over medium heat. Once the pan is hot, add in 4 ounces of ground Italian sausage. Break it apart with a rubber spatula, and we're going to stir it occasionally until the sausage is cooked through. Now we'll add in 1/4 cup of chopped onions, 1/4 cup of chopped green bell peppers, and 1 clove of minced garlic. Cook, stirring occasionally until the vegetables are soft, which takes about a minute. Okay, next we're going to take sausage and the vegetables out of the pan. Turn off the stove. I like using a slotted spoon just to leave the grease in the pan. We just want to let the sausage drain a little bit on a paper towel lined plate. So the next step is to build your pizza bowl. Take a 10-ounce ramekin, which is about 4 inches in diameter, or a similar sized baking dish, and we're going to spoon 1 tablespoon approximately of the marinara sauce along the bottom of the ramekin. And next we're going to add about 5 slices of pepperoni. You just want to cover the bottom of the ramekin with the pepperoni. And you may have a little extra, but it's nice to overlap the pieces. And then we're going to add in the cooked sausage and the vegetables. Put it right on top of the pepperoni. Spoon 1 tablespoon of marinara sauce on top of the sausage layer, and then cover it with 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Oh, now if you want to add some sliced black olives, add them right before you put the cheese on. That's a nice addition to a supreme pizza. And I like to put my mini pizza on a rimmed baking sheet just to catch any possible spills. And we're going to bake this in a preheated 350-degree oven for 10 minutes. Look at all that melted cheese. It looks so good and smells so good too. I have basil in my kitchen, so I'm going to tear a little basil leaf into pieces and add it to the top of my pizza bowl. So we're just going to let the pizza bowl rest for about 5 minutes before we dig in. It smells wonderful. Absolutely delicious. This is my favorite way to enjoy pizza. Now I'm going to just dig in.